Welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the division on a number line. We can use a number line to show division by repeated subtraction. For example, you have to divide 9 by 3 on a number line. So first of all, make a number line here. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you have to divide 9 by 3, so just stop at 9. Now to divide 9 by 3, start on 9, jump backwards 3 steps at a time. As you have to divide it by 3, so jump backwards 3 steps at a time. 9 to 6, 6 to 3 and 3 to 0. Now let us look at the repeated subtraction. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and here also 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So how many times did you jump to reach 0? You made 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps of 3. As you have to divide by 3. You made 3 jumps of 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 is your answer. Let us do some questions related to this number line. First question is 12 when divided by 3 is equal to, you have to write the quotient or the result using number line. First, to do this, first of all, make a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop at 13. Now to divide 12 by 3, start on 12, jump backwards 3 steps at a time. So 1, 2, 3. This is your first step. 9 to 6. This is your second step. 6 to 3. This is your fourth steps. And 3 to 0. This is your fourth step. So how many times did you jump to reach 0? You made 4 jumps of 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The quotient here is 4. Let us do at the B part. This is 6 when divided by 4 is equal to dash. Again make a number line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now to divide 16 by 4, start on 16, jump backwards 4 steps at a time. 16 minus 4 you get 12. So stop here at the 12. This is your first step. Again 12 minus 4 gives you 8. This is your second step. 8 minus 4 gives you 4. This is your third step. And 4 minus 4 gives you 0. This is your fourth step. So how many times did you jump to reach 0? You made 4 jumps of 4. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Your answer here is 4. Now come at the next question. Your C part is 18 divided by 2 is equal to blank. Make a number line. Now to divide 18 by 2, start on 18, jump backwards 2 steps at a time. So 18 minus 2 gives you 16. This is your first step. 16 minus 2, you get 14. Second step. 14 minus 2, you get 12. Third step. 12 minus 10, you get 2. This is your fourth step. 10 minus 8, you get 2. This is your fifth step. 8 minus 2, you get 6. This is your, here 10. I'm going to rub it off. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Next is 8 minus 2, you get 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And the last one is 2 minus 2, you get 0. So how many times did you jump to reach 0? So count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you made 9 jumps of 2. So that means 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Quotient here is 9. Next question is 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. Again make a number line here. Two, three, 4, 5, 9, 10, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now to divide 20 by 5, start on 20. Jump backwards 5 steps at a time. So when you step back 5 at a time, you get 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5, you get 10. 10 minus 5, you get 5. And the last one is 5 minus 5, you get 0. So how many times did you jump to reach 0? Count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you made 4 jumps of 5. So 20 when divided by 5, the result is 4. The quotient here is 4. This is all for today. Thank you very much.